So I could put in an Excel spreadsheet for some client data. I could have the meeting with the client, and in minutes it produces this for me, where I've got all the insights, information for this client. I can drill down. This is a piece of software that I wrote in just a few minutes. So imagine the power of every time you get to the financial year end, you take that financial information and you just get someone in your team to spend a few minutes building out a little piece of software for that one client for that 1 year. Wow, you could really impress your clients with that. This is where this stuff's going. This is all doable now. It is absolutely extraordinary. So we're almost at the end of our time together. A couple more things I do want to talk about, but if you do want to grab my ebook where I talk through in more detail all the prompts that all the tools that I'm using right now in 2026, then I'll put the link somewhere below. It's 32 pages. I've made it easy reading, and it talks more about what you should be using in your accounting firm. Okay. The last couple of things I want to talk about is let's go back to this whole thing about GDPR and privacy, because this is so important. We mustn't get it wrong. If you want to use AI with client information, then firstly you have to make sure the tool is compliant. So with ChatGPT, that's the business plan. You must use the business plan. If you want to use Claude also has a business plan. It's called the Teams plan, and they have an enterprise plan as well. And the main difference is that whereas the ChatGPT business plan, you have to have 2 seats, Claude, you have to have 5 seats. So unless you've got 5 or more people in your team that you want to be using it, it may well be more expensive. Also, the other thing that's interesting, whilst it's got all of the same, passed all of the various audits and so on, it doesn't specifically have the GDPR badge, which OpenAI does have on their trust portal. But apart from that detail, it is very secure. But please do have the business plan or the Teams plan. But also there's some other things you should do. You should have an AI policy in your firm. You should also specifically get permission from your clients for using AI in your firm.